If you need to unlock your card on Magento, follow these straightforward steps to regain access quickly. Step 1. Log into your Magento account. Before changing your settings, use the #com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to the Customer section. Once logged in, go to the Customers section in the main menu. This area contains all customer-related settings and information. Step 3. Find the locked card. In the customer list, locate the account associated with the locked card. You can use the search function to find the specific customer quickly. Step 4. Edit customer information. Click on the customer SNN to open their profile. Look for the section that indicates the status of the card and select the option to edit or unlock it. Step 5. Save changes. After unlocking the card, make sure to save the changes by clicking the Save button. This will apply the updates and unlock the card for use. Following these steps will help you unlock your card on Magento efficiently. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Magento support for further assistance.